Hi everyone, we are Team Ganpati Bappa Moria and we have chosen our problem statement in the track of health tech. In health tech, the exact problem statement we chose is predictive hospital management during festivals, hospital spikes, and epidemics in India healthcare. When India faces unpredictable surges during festivals and seasonal pollution spikes or epidemics. So we have created our multi-agent system, Arogyam AI, which will predict, prevent, and prepare us in advance, which is powered by multi-agent, which will connect to MCP and RAG pipelines. So let's check our use case diagram at baseline. So can you expand the screen? Yeah. So as you can see, we have four entities that are in our system. That is, one is a user for the interaction. Then there will be multi-agent system, which will comprise of small multiple agents like procurement agent, load balancing agent, search agent, and then there will be an MCP server that will actually interact with our backend services with a database or ML models. So in baseline, I'll tell you how the interaction happens when a user will query. Like, can you go to the back? Previous diagram. When a user will query, it will go to our AI agent. In our AI agent for the decision making, there will be an LLM, large language model, and there will be an MCP client for interaction with MCP server. The interaction will happen in JSON RPC 2.0 protocol. In our MCP server, there will be multiple tools, resources, and prompts registered to utilize our service. Next slide. You can check our your data flow diagram to check in how actual data flow happens between users and the system. Can you go to the architecture diagram? Okay. So as you can see in our architecture diagram, we have multiple like five entities, starting with the data source, which will comprise of the all the AKI index, environmental sensors, calendar events, and all that will be fed to our predictive intelligence. And also we have explained what AI the agent is thinking by using explainable AI, wherein it will tell what is the reasoning behind the particular decision. Then there will be our multiple agent system in which you can see there are multiple agents like search prediction agent, which actually sees the future. There is resource optimization agent that will plan everything, and accordingly there is insurance agent that is connected to a rack pipeline that will actually help insurance and speed up the paperwork. And this will all be utilized by hospital admin, doctor, and patient. So now let's go to the flow. Shraddha will take over.
Now we will see the actual implementation for this flow, where we have created an interface where user can get the query resolved. We can check by typing the current hospital status, and can check the alert levels also for all the resources we have. So this will um, call the agents which we have for the admin controller, which is the procurement agent and the predictive agent, which make an call to the inventory to check the resources. If you can see the diagram over here at the left side, which make an call to the procurement agent and get the required resources. So here we can see the availability for CPU's beds. The stock is low, so we can check the demand for the oxygen, and according to that we can purchase the make the order. So next prompt we can type to predict before placing the order, and what is the oxygen demand for for this year based on the pattern. So we have the historical data set up within the backend. So we can say the Diwali is coming. So predict the patient surge and oxygen for the same cylinders we need. So it called to the historical data, get the requirements and send back to the predictive agent. So it a critical alert saying the total patient is greater than 10,000, 1,000. We required oxygens. So based on prediction, calculate how many oxygen we need. We need to order. So it's calculated and predicted, keeping the buffer of 20, which is the current stock is 280. Keeping the buffer, we can make a purchase of 300, safer side, for oxygen cylinder. It has created the order. Once on approval, it will place the order. And also we can check the pending orders. So these are all the list before the order is approved. So this is overall the implementation we have. We have other future scope where we can include the insurance and other agents to make this multi-agent more stronger. Yeah, thank you.